Okay, now in my mail I should have got the authentication code. I didn't get, I think. So what I did is, if you do not get the mail, no worries. Here, if you open your Blink app, if you tap on this settings icon, you get to see the options like email all, copy all. Hope you can see. If you select this copy all, the authentication code will be copied and you can send on your own to your email ID, or you can copy paste it to your application. Anyhow, you need to collect the authentication code. So in my mail, I only sent that authentication code to my email ID. Yeah. So this is alphanumeric string. This is the authentication code. This one we will use in our Arduino code. First, make sure to collect this one. Just I will copy it. Okay. Okay. The next thing is, we need to program in our Arduino IDE. Okay. You don't worry about the code. I will explain the codes in another video. No problem. Okay. So here in we have a character array called auth. It has some previous auth code. I will delete that auth code and I will give the recently obtained. Okay, so this is my authentication code. Fine. Okay. So after getting the authentication code, you need to mention your SSID and password. SSID means it might be the username you have given to your hotspot. For example, here I am using my router. It has the SSID means this one, Geo53. I am using my router. I will mention this one. If you are using your hotspot, mobile hotspot for Wi-Fi connection, you need to mention the hotspot name and password here. Okay. I will replace this Prajwal with my SSID. I have already copied. So this is my SSID and my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so this is my SSID and password. So the aim of this project is to collect air quality index with the help of a sensor and upload this information to my Blink application. So I will explain the code and everything in the next section. First, I will just give you demonstration how to use Blink app with ESP32. So you need not to worry about the code. I will explain the code in another module. Fine. Okay. So for this project, I am going to use a sensor called MQ135. This is technically called air quality index sensor. So this one. Hope you can see. Otherwise, I will focus after connecting with this. Yes. So this is the MQ135 sensor. I am using this sensor to get air quality index, and I am going to upload this information to our Blink server so that anybody can view the air quality index from any part of the world. That's what our aim is. Fine. So let me show you the circuit connection. So it has 4 pins: A0 analog, D0 digital, and the third one is ground, and the last one is VCC. Okay, so I will use D0. I won't use A0. I will use D0 and followed by ground and VCC. The VCC should be connected to either 3.3 or 5 volt of our ESP32. Ground must be connected to ground, and D0 I will connect it to pin number 33. So I will use a small breadboard for this purpose. Okay, the first this white cable is D0. I will connect it to pin number 33. Okay, this blue represents the ground. Okay, let me connect it to ground. It has very minute things. Yeah, this second one is ground. Okay, 33, and one more left is VCC. So I will give 3.3. Okay, yes, so our circuit is ready. Okay, if I connect other end to USB port, yeah, the sensor light has been turned on. It means connection is perfect. Okay, yeah, now let me upload the sketch and see the output. Let me focus to my screen. Okay, I will upload the sketch. Make sure go to tools, port COM4 has been selected, board is ESP32, fine. Okay, upload. It takes some time. So if you get to see continuously dotted line, we need to press this boot button. It is having a button called boot. You need to press and hold the boot button. Yeah. So in the last class, you did see the code being uploaded automatically, but in this class it didn't upload it. So what I did, I just pressed this boot button. Hope you can see it is having boot button,